What's going on, man? We back in the Mustang again. It's finally time to enjoy this car again, man. This weather has been crazy, but we finally got some 70, 75 degree weather, so it's time to hit the road, man. My nephew's supposed to be making some stimulus burgers over there at his apartment, so let's go check them out.
What's up?
It was good, man.
Okay.
I put one on the front, I put one on the back. You know what I'm saying? Catch that exhaust sound.
You was having a good old time, huh?
That's what we do, man. Social distance. Keep your distance. Yeah, so sad.
Every time I see this color, like, and yo, I be seeing other Mustangs, the same one, white, and they be looking good, but that little extraness they did, it just stands out every time. Like, I'll know it's you.
Nah, this shit crazy.
You washed it?
You know I don't leave the house without my wash.
But no tire shine.
I don't do the tire shine. Tire shine be ruining the whole wash. Cause as soon as I start speeding, that shit gonna be all over the side of the car. Allegedly. Cause I don't be speeding like that, you know what I'm saying? I'll be doing the limit.
Yeah, you already got some pretty wide tires on it. 275, 255.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
So what's gonna be the next mile?
You just gonna have to stay tuned, man.
Oh, you wanna see what I did to the Eclipse?
You did something else?
Yeah.
Since the other day when you came by, you said you dropped it?
Yeah, I did something else.
Nah, where's that? So,
It's right over there.
your fucking nosy ass neighbor over here was like, you can't park there.
Of course.
So he about to report me. How far we gotta go?
Just run across the grass. We'll be right back. Don't worry about it. The same person talking about you can't park here.
Get me a ticket. Citizen, he gonna make a citizen's arrest on me. You see what they did to the other dude,
You know what's funny though? Because when we first was moving in, guess who was parking up? Him. He gonna come up to us talking about, yeah, everybody got their own spot. Well, why you parked with us?
Exactly.
What he does is he sit on that balcony all day and he figure out who's going and who's coming. Pretty much who just moved out and who's moving in. So he be taking the parking spots that on where nobody's living at the time.
Alright, so what you do?
Well, recently I put on a Magnet Flow Rumble muffler. You know, I got clean to because I can't make my own different colors right now until that turbo comes.
So now it's even louder.
No, it's actually quieter.
Okay.
But I'm putting on a cutout exhaust. That way I could. It's pretty much active exhaust like what you got on yours. And of course I lowered it. It might not look too different because it's still sitting, a little high. But once I put the wheels on it, it's gonna be a lot better. But it's 1.7 inches in the front, 1.5 in the back. And it rides completely different now. When I tell you it handled like a slingshot, now it handles like a sports car.
So what you got against slingshots, man? Because I got a slingshot.
I love slingshots. I'm just saying, come on, you own a slingshot and you know how shaky that gets sometimes.
Man.
But this is what I really just did, like yesterday. Go ahead, bask in the glory.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
You gotta dig deeper, man. Dig deeper.
I seen it on the gram. You get some new rotors on there.
Rotors.
So now you got some stopping power.
Some stopping power. I got stopping power for days now. These rotors don't get hot.
What about the back?
I'm actually changing because I got drum brakes on the deck, so I'm converting it from like a Eclipse GTS model. I'm taking the disc brake setup off of that and putting it on the rear. So soon there'll be slotted drills on the rear too.
Yeah, let's hurry up, get back over here, man, because Officer, what we gonna call him? Officer,
Frank Gallagher.
Frank.
We've been calling him that since we moved in.
He do look like
Frank.
him. Damn it, Frank. Officer Frank. Officer Gallagher. Damn it, man.
I gotta put this grill together.
Inspector Gallagher.
Inspector Gallagher.
You still putting the grill together?
I just got back.
Man, I thought you was gonna have some stimulus burgers ready for me, man.
I thought I was gonna have some stimulus burgers too. Yeah, I gotta put it together.
That's crazy.
Is tomorrow supposed to be nice?
Yeah, but not hot like this. Today it was like 70 something. Tomorrow gonna be like 65. You got spaz on her. Like, where are you going?
Our friends' neighbors.
I'll tell you what, she hit my Mustang.
forgot
She
steak.
left me for a
Oh,
You forgot steak for the kebab.
listen, man.
Where you going?
What's good with
You
you?
leaving me for him?
Nigga,
This bald nugget
come
looking.
on, come on. I'm not even ready for all that. Just be
I'm
easy.
sorry.
Yo, you gonna let this thing send you like that?
Huh?
You have a
Do
key?
you have your phone key?
Yeah, where's the dog?
He's in the cage. He has rest.
What's good, man?
He got a rest.
Ain't see you in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Social distance, social distance. Go clean my elbow later,
Breathing
but
a lot today.
I believe it. Do you have any water when you came in?
Yeah, and I gave him water all throughout the time he was there.
Oh, okay.
you going grocery shopping again?
No. We forgot the
Sticks
sticks
and
for the
zucchini.
shit.
Yo, oh yeah, but get this. So we went to ShopRite, and I got a whole pack of paper towels, and they had a pack of toilet tissue too. So I got both of those. Get to self checkout. The thing, you know how the machines be. Girl comes up to me talking about, oh, you can't have two of these. I'm like, what you talking about? I got paper towels and tissue. They really stopping
Are
you
you
from
kidding
buying
me?
both at the same time now.
So you went back in? Or you want me to go back in?
No, Lamar. I mean, you could just pick some up. We already got it.
When me and Lamar were together, they wouldn't let us get a certain amount of water until we're together. No, I'm buying some and he's buying some.
It's ridiculous, yo.
Long gallon.
People just panicking for no reason.
Gotta come out the queen.
All right, you guys be safe out there. Stay stimulated.
All right.
We'll be right. You want anything else?
No, I'm good. Maybe
You
some
want
ice cream
anything?
sandwiches.
I probably won't even be here when y'all get back, man.
Yeah,
I keep my distance.
Inspector Gallagher
I know, I
watching.
heard.
Yeah, he tried to tell me I gotta move my car. I'm like, man, get out of here.
Cause a neighborhood problem.
It's not like you're saying it. All right.
Alright.
People starting to come out now. Yeah, I'm starting to, get the feel of the area. How
Oh,
it
you
is.
saying you gonna get to know more people? You saying
Well, I ain't trying
see
to
if
get-
there's any more of him out there?
Pretty much, yeah. And I see black people starting to come out. There's some ratchets here. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you right
Yeah.
near the hood. You ain't
Yeah,
far from the
I'm
hood.
right
Like this is what this hard park, right?
Yeah, in Central
But
Ice-
CI is right there.
No, it's literally the backyard.
It's
like
there.
you go over the bridge, you there, boy. That's when you start finding the Bravos and all the other hood supermarkets. Seriously.
That's what I was trying to tell you. You ain't far, man. You look right over them trees over there.
Yo,
The hood.
keep it 100. I don't even gotta go too far because the hood is literally living under the. I mean,
Listen, you gotta
literally.
embrace the hood.
Literally,
You are the hood.
is living under
Look at
my
your shirt.
floors. Well,
Then look at his shirt. Then look at my shirt. You know what I'm saying? Part of my French. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say too much. And this dude got Bob Ross. You always trying to outdo me with the shirts, man.
Listen, you should have brought some masks. Cause those
No,
is
these
official.
masks is type of fit.
Nah, they mad official.
You know what I'm saying?
Like you
Got the
kind of
quilt.
outdone yourself
Got
this
the
time.
quilted, ear strap, everything.
That's what I was saying. Summer's almost here. Right now it's 60, 70 degrees, and I'm getting tired of masks. Once it hit 80 and 90, nobody's wearing these masks.
Yeah, but the difference is, and I ain't no doctor, but when they get to them temperatures, the germs ain't gonna be lasting as long anyway. So you might be a little safer without the mask at that point. But yeah, I can't wear those them heavy masks either where you can't breathe. I was wearing this on a bike ride the other day. Like you could breathe right through this.
Yeah, I'd rather that. 'Cause even with the one that I got with the vent, it'd be hard. I was carrying that grill through Lowe's.
I mean, it ain't nothing better than breathing with nothing over covering your face.
Yeah.
So you still might get a little frustrated eventually take this off, but like this for me, out of all the ones I be having to wear and going places, this is comfortable and fashionable.
Yeah, you definitely you out here.
Yeah, fashionable. So you keep your matching right, you straight. Get you nice. I know you like blue. Get you a blue one. Get you a black one. CJ ordered one. Surprised me. I'm like, look at this order coming in,
That's
going
good
all the way
damn
down
fashion.
south.
I remember when I saw that shirt, I was like, oh, nah, click. Like,
That's what he ordered too. He ordered the shirt, and then he ordered a blue mask, and then he got a pink shirt for wifey and a pink mask.
they down there living, it looked like.
They down there doing it. He just got a new crib.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Congrats.
And he got
'Cause I
a
saw
truck.
Yeah, they buying each other cars and stuff.
You
Oh, okay.
already know where you get that from, but we going, you know what I'm saying? You know where you seen it
That's
first. All right, man. Let me hit this road, man.
All right.
Social distance, cut the elbow.
Thanks for coming through.
You You know what I'm saying?
Maybe we'll link up tomorrow.
Maybe next time you have some stimulus burgers for me, man. You told me you was
Burgers
cooking.
gonna be flying out off the balcony next time. Be ready to catch
Hey, man, I'm trying to get a little curbside pickup.
I got you next time.
All right, man. Stay
All right.
safe.